Two young women who tried to flee after being caught while driving a stolen car to Zimbabwe with a stolen vehicle languish in jail. Two young women are currently in custody after being apprehended by police in Limpopo while allegedly attempting to smuggle a stolen vehicle across the border into Zimbabwe. The incident is part of a series of recent operations targeting cross-border vehicle theft and smuggling syndicates in the region. Larito Pertunia Mosaj, aged 20, and Makanani Molawa, aged 19, appeared before the Polokwane Magistrates Court this week, facing charges of possession of a suspected stolen motor vehicle. The charges relate to their alleged involvement in attempting to drive a stolen Toyota Hilux GD6 across the Beitbridge port of entry into Zimbabwe. The arrest followed a coordinated anti-smuggling operation conducted by the SAP's anti-smuggling team, Chwimalo Security and Investigation, and Reflex Anti-Hijacking Security. According to Provincial Police spokesperson, Brigadier Hulani Mashaba, the officers intercepted the Toyota Hilux GD6 double cab on the R101 near the Polokwane Bridge. In a coordinated anti-smuggling operation involving SAP's anti-smuggling team, Chwimalo Security and Investigation, and Reflex Anti-Hijacking Security, the officers intercepted a Toyota Hilux GD6 double cab on the R101 near Polokwane Bridge, Mashaba explained. During the stop, the situation quickly escalated. During the stop, one male suspect fled into nearby bushes, while two female suspects attempted to escape but were apprehended after a foot chase, Mashaba added. The male suspect managed to evade arrest, while Mosaj and Molawa were apprehended after a brief pursuit. Following their court appearance, the two women were remanded in custody for profiling. Their case has been postponed to Tuesday next week, pending further investigations. Preliminary police investigations have revealed that the Toyota Hilux GD6 was reported stolen on May 16, 2025, in the Garsfontein area of Pretoria East. This discovery has further solidified the case against the two young women and highlighted the sophistication of the vehicle theft and smuggling operations in the region. The interception of Mosaj and Molawa occurred as part of a broader effort by Limpopo police to crack down on cross-border crimes, particularly vehicle smuggling. Earlier this week, police announced a significant breakthrough with the recovery of two vehicles, a Toyota Corolla Cross and the Toyota Hilux GD6, valued at approximately R1.4 million. Both vehicles were believed to be destined for smuggling out of South Africa via the Beitbridge port of entry. In a separate, but related incident, a 31-year-old man, Mikhail Mlambo, also appeared before the Polokwane Magistrates Court after being arrested in connection with another stolen vehicle. Mlambo was intercepted while driving a stolen Toyota Corolla Cross Sport utility vehicle, also believed to be en route to the Beitbridge border post. Mashaba told IOL that Mlambo was remanded in custody, and the court postponed the matter to Monday next week for profiling. Police have since established that Mlambo is a South African national. The grey SUV that was driven by Mlambo was reported stolen earlier this month, around Pretoria Central. On Friday, May 16, 2025, members of Provincial Flying Squad were busy conducting routine patrol duties when they received intelligence information about a grey Toyota Corolla Cross SUV vehicle that was reported stolen this month, said Mashaba. The vehicle was allegedly traveling at high speed along the N1 South Public Road and was destined to be smuggled to Zimbabwe. The police immediately commenced an intensive search for the stolen vehicle until it was positively spotted driving outside Polokwane. Police officers attempted to stop the speeding vehicle, but the driver refused to yield. A car chase ensued until the vehicle was intercepted at Nirvana Robots. It was searched and police suddenly discovered a damaged tracking device removed from the vehicle, said Mashaba. Mlambo was unable to provide authentic documentation proving ownership of the vehicle and was immediately placed under arrest, charged with possession of a suspected stolen motor vehicle. The interception of Mlambo occurred as part of a broader effort by Limpopo police to crack down on cross-border crimes, particularly vehicle smuggling. Investigations revealed that this vehicle had been reported stolen at the Wadabrug, city of Chilwane, policing area on Friday. The driver, a 34-year-old undocumented foreign national, was arrested, said Mashaba. Lieutenant General Thambi Hadebe, Provincial Commissioner of Police in Limpopo, has commended the law enforcement teams involved in the recent operations, saluting their efforts in intercepting and recovering the stolen vehicles. She has urged the teams to continue their concerted efforts to combat cross-border crimes, emphasizing the importance of their work in protecting South Africa's borders and preventing the flow of stolen goods into neighboring countries.
For these and more stories, tune in to Zim News Bit TV.